To integrate Typeform with EventsX, you will first need to log into your account, select the business you wish to integrate it with, click on Integrations, click Install Typeform, install the application. You have now installed Typeform and you will be able to add it to your event. So click on Events, click on the event you wish to add it to, select the session or stage you wish to add Typeform to by clicking on Areas. In this case, we're going to click on Stage. Now if you scroll down to Integrations, you'll be able to add a custom tab name and your Typeform URL. This is the one that you would have set up when signing up for Typeform.